सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।
Bikes are stolen, like a lot. 2 every minute, over 1 million every year, and that's just what's reported. That's why we're so excited to bring you Linka, the world's first auto-unlocking smart bike lock. Linka can do a lot of cool things, but at its core, it's a powerful lock that's hard-mounted to your frame, so you're always ready. When you're ready to lock up, just tap the button, and a hardened steel ring slides into place, making it impossible to ride away. So now that your bike's locked, if someone tries picking it up, Linka has a built-in accelerometer that automatically triggers a siren, stopping the thief in its tracks, while simultaneously sending a tamper alert directly to your phone so you know what's up. Now, what makes Linka a smart lock is its ability to recognize who you are and automatically unlock as you approach. Of course, you can always unlock it with your smartphone, or for boneless access, you can press your 4-digit passcode. So if you want to lock your bike to something, add on a Linka chain and just lock up to an existing bike rack. If you already have a chain or a U-lock, then you're all set. Inside Linka is a really powerful battery. You can get up to 1 whole year before your next charge. And the Linka app notifies you when your battery's low, so you never really have to think about it. So about the app. Not only does it auto-unlock Linka, send tamper alerts, and track battery usage, we're really excited to introduce our theft indicator map. The app tracks reported stolen bikes in your area and warns you of dangerous locations. We'll even recommend a safer place to park. So we packed Linka with a bunch of awesome features. But equally as important to us was creating a design and form factor that you'd be excited to put on your bike. So why are we doing this? The more I kept riding my bike, the more I realized how difficult it was to keep it safe. After doing some research, I found out I wasn't the only one having this problem. And that's when Linka was born. I put my engineering and product design background to work immediately. And after almost 2 years of research, prototyping, and testing, now we're ready to go to production. All that's missing is your support. Please join us and let's make Linka happen together.
Until the guests arrive. And still lots to do. Clean the house, get the dinner, and make sure Louie gets another walk. Mary's not too worried because she has August. It lets her into her home automatically, just like magic. August helps her get everything done for the party, even with the family gone for the day. With August Smart Lock, Mary and Thomas can control access to their home and send virtual keys to guests from anywhere using their smartphones. When the cleaning lady comes to straighten things up, she's got her virtual key to use. And hopefully, some extra cleaning supplies. Dinner's here from Hank, their favorite barbecue guy, and Mary Mary can use August's doorbell cam to ask him to put the food in the usual spot.
Hank's Barbecue, ready for delivery.
Can I just buzz you in and you can leave the food in the fridge?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Thank you.
Louis even gets his regular walk. Thomas just gives the dog walker a virtual key for that time every day. That's right, boy. Right on schedule. When Emily stops by early to drop things off, she can head right in when Mary buzzes her.
Hey, Mary, it's Emily. I'm actually at your house. I was in the neighborhood and I just had the things that you need.
Yeah. Just go right in. I'll buzz you in.
When Maya gets home from school, she can let herself in with August's smart keypad. No more lost or forgotten keys. And best of all, Mom gets an instant notification so she knows Maya is home safe. Thanks to August, the house is finally clean. Everything's delivered, and Louis got his walk. All they need now are the guests. Welcome to a home that's more simple and secure. Welcome to an August home.
Ground in dust and dirt doesn't wait for the big weekly clean. So grab the only cord-free vacuum with a Dyson Digital Motor V8 that has powerful suction to clean deep. And up to 40 minutes runtime to clean anywhere, anytime, by anyone. Introducing the Azure Retro Classic, the next generation of luxury keyboards. This is the Retro Classic Onyx, black with black chrome accent. Black is sophisticated, confident, powerful. Black absorbs all other colors in the spectrum inherently, and yet it's able to maintain its simplicity and its elegancy. It evokes strong emotions, represents strength, and illustrates formality and exclusiveness. It's the epitome of fierce. Black is the end, but also a new beginning. Black is infinite. The Retro Classic Onyx achieves multi-layered depth through a combination of curated materials and finish based on this elegantly fierce hue. The Retro Classic Posh, white with copper accent. It is elegant because of its purity and simplicity. We partnered white with the ardent warmth of copper to promote an aura of luxurious opulence. The purity of white and the radiant hue of copper collaboratively creates a fine collectible artifact worthy of the discernible taste. The rich accent of copper adds a comforting warmth next to the lavish white, and the polished effect adds an edgy contemporary feel, while the vibrant backlight creates a glamorous and affluent ambiance. The Retro Classic Artisan, black with copper accent, representing the rise of a new generation through diligence, hard work, and craftsmanship. Long in history, black with copper is intricate, attractive, and nostalgic. The copper hue conveys a soul of steampunk and classy deco elements to complement the black. It is a curated color with a purpose. The Retro Classic Artisan is created to fully celebrate the cool lux of mid-century vintage with contemporary Scandinavian luxury. Fusing genuine leather with alloy to deliver an artisanal and timeless piece. Romantic, extravagant, sophisticated. A new level of luxury achieved. Amazing results come from dramatic contrast between materials. The Retro Classic is as striking as it is retro. The Azure Retro Classic. The past is the future.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें। इसके अलावा शेयर कीजिएगा अपने सभी दोस्तों और फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ